Now let's get a peek at the best LEGO Christmas sets as of 2021. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and especially so if you pick up this amazing LEGO Home Alone house. And the LEGO Light Kit is a great addition to spark memories of hilarious Christmas comedy movie moments. Number 2 is the Santa's Visit set. This is really fun to build with small children together, and it's great to play with afterwards. Just be prepared to leave out milk and cookies for the real Santa and LEGO Santa on Christmas Eve though, because your kids are going to love this set. Number 3 is the Gingerbread House model kit. It makes for a wonderful decoration once it's built, but there are still minifigures to play with too, so you get the best of both worlds with this set. We love it, you love it, and we're pretty sure Grandma will too. Number 4 is the Elf Clubhouse. This is so much fun and offers so many opportunities for storytelling that we just know you won't be able to keep your hands off it. The light brick that's included not enough for you. Don't worry, we have a complete lighting kit available for this set that will take it from a soft warm glow to a lighting display worthy of making this one of your go-to Christmas decorations year after year. Okay, and number 5 is the beautiful Christmas tree model. It's a good idea to add LED lights to LEGO Christmas tree and spruce up your home for the holiday season if you're wondering how to decorate your Christmas tree this year. The last one is the Christmas wreath set. It can be hung on a wall, used as a table decoration, or displayed any way the builder chooses. Now you can light up the night of LEGO Christmas wreath with light kit and add festive cheer with the decoration.